You can accessorize your Aura bed with any of a number of options that we have available. 2 lights, an automatic underbed light for safer transfers, and a flexible overhead light for reading or providing medications if the room is dark. An overhead helper trapeze bar for repositioning in bed. Additional rails for extra support. A portable battery backup in case of temporary power failures. Protective rail pads for users who may accidentally bump up against the rails. And rail organizers to keep things like reading materials, tissues, or TV remotes handy. Every bed is built to extend in length, and taller users may want to order the 8-inch length extension kit. The extra large overbed table is a great accessory for anyone who likes to eat, read, or do other activities in bed. The 18-inch by 36-inch surface is fully sealed and is equipped with a spill-proof edge and an additional flip-up tray. The premium gas lift mechanism ensures smooth operation in both directions. Finally, you'll find a full selection of bedding available for your Aura bed, from microfiber and organic cotton sheet sets to duvet packages, adjustable bamboo pillows, and fluid-proof mattress covers.